Hello, my name is Andre Palmer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add a piano bang and an organ bubble for our one drop reggae beat. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to add is 2 instances of citrus, because we're going to using citrus to add our piano and our organ bubble. So that's 1 and that's 2. So we're going to be using for now we're going to be using a Rhodes sound, or we can find a nice piano sound that we can use to create our bang. Okay, so that is our electric piano, and then we're going to find under the DX7 the Hammond organ. Not that one. I think second one. Right, we're going to use that for our organ bubble. So we're going to add a new pattern and call that piano, and then we're going to go into the piano roll to add our beat. Okay, so underneath we're going to be stamping out the chords to kind of make it more easier for persons who don't understand or know how to create chords. So we're going in the bass line is C, F, and C, F, and G. That's the 3 chords that we'll be using. We'll be copying this. So to create the bang on the step sequencer, based on our tempo, it is the 3rd block. So it's an offset beat to kind of give it a reggae bang. So let's play it in the pattern to hear how it sounds. Alright, so that kind of have too much. We want to modify the sound a little bit because it has too much. Too much releases on it, so it kind of sound. I'm going to change this to a. With that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to invert the chord. I've explained. If you can search about chord inversions in another video, and copy that. So I'm going to be converting this chord into F major, and then the last chord is G. So you can see F major, C major, and G. So it's all major scales, major chords, so sound a little bit more happy. So it's too low, so we're going to up the octave. Alright, so let's add that to the piano, to the song, and let's listen to it with our bass line. Alright, the next thing we're going to add now is our organ bubble. It is very simple. What we're going to do is copy. We're going to copy our piano bang, paste it in another channel, and then we're going to do some modifications to create the bubble. So we're going to hold down shift and drag to the left, and we're going to hold control and press the down arrow on your keyboard. We're going to hold shift again and drag to the right. So what we want to get is that that sound we really want. So let's listen to it before to see if it sounds right. So that's basically how the organ bubble is supposed to sound. We're going to change preset to get a better sounding organ. You can work with that. Really and truly, the bubble supposed to have more of a sharper sound. That sound is not necessarily more sharper to give us that nice bubble. From research, I know that when they're using the organ bubble, they use a B7 organ. I don't have any sounds like that, but I can. Man, you get the idea. But we can do some modifications to it. We can probably make the notes a little bit more smaller. So we're going to change the snap to half step, and then we'll just shorten the notes. So that's basically the piano and the organ bubble. In the next video, we'll be arranging our beat, and we'll be adding. We can add the guitars and some other embellishments to finalize the beat before we start to arrange it. And that's it. My name is Andre Palmer. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And once again, thank you for watching. My name is Andre Palmer from Remla Productions. One love.